So what the fuck am I doing? Basically आज से मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, आई एम स्टार्टिंग अ सीरीज़ ऑफ tracking my progress. Like I have thought about many things. Like main thing I want to do is post consistently. Like और इस चीज़ का main source of inspiration is Saket Gokhale. I used to watch Saket Gokhale. I'm trying to copy him in the initial stage to kind of, मुझे पता नहीं है ना अपने हिसाब से क्या करना है, so I'm trying to copy Saket Gokhale in the sense right now the main focus for me is getting lean. Like yes, I'm going to the gym for on and off पिछले साल से 2024 हाँ फर्स्ट आई स्टार्टेड इन 2024 जहाँ पे लाइक आई वॉज इन माई ड्रॉप ईयर. तब आई स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू द जिम. उससे पहले आई टू डू लाइक होम वर्कआउट्स एंड स्टफ. आई स्टार्ट गोइंग टू द जिम, वेंट फॉर लाइक 2 months आई गेस 2 months. फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया था, फिर आई नेवर डिड गो. देन फिर पिछले साल बिफोर गोइंग टू द कॉलेज आई वेंट फॉर 2 months वहाँ पे भी. फिर देन when I went into college and then फिर मुझे ऐसा हुआ था कि आई एम नॉट गेटिंग लीन. देन फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया था जिम. देन आई ओनली यूज टू वॉक अ लॉट एंड फिर मैं थोड़ा सा मेरा लीननेस कम हुआ था. माई लोएस्ट वेट वेंट टू लाइक 73. देन ऐसा कुछ 73 से 75 76 ऐसा कुछ ऊपर नीचे होते होते नाउ आई एम एट 75 अगेन. ओके एंड फिर मैं इस बीच में जिम नहीं गया था. फिर मैं बीच में कभी कभी लाइक आई डिडंट पे फीस वगैरह, बट मैं ऐसे ही जा रहा था 1-2 बार, बट आई वॉजंट कंसिस्टेंट. बट नाउ दिस महीने मैंने जिम की फ़ीस भरी है. आई एम गोइंग अबाउट 4 days a week, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग फॉर नाउ. और उसके साथ साथ आई एम डूइंग स्टफ ताकि I get lean. So through these daily videos, I want to share the progress, my journey कि मैं कैसे lean हूँ basically. My goal is this certain kind of physique I have in mind, and अभी this is what I look like currently. So this is what I look like currently, and I have this certain kind of physique. You will notice 2 things. I have kind of decent muscle mass, but my body fat is kind of high. And also second thing, my cardio isn't that good right now. What my general gym workout routine is, I do the treadmill for 10 minutes, then I do my workout 40 minutes, then I again do treadmill for 10 minutes, then I come home. So 20 minutes treadmill total on incline, or 12% on 6 km/h speed. That's what I do for cardio. Now this is very good. I'm seeing good results from it. Also second thing, my physique today isn't the best क्योंकि मेरे एक दोस्त का there was a friend's birthday, so we went out, ate stuff, we got pizzas, garlic bread, pastas and stuff, so we ate those things. So आज का फिज़िक उतना काफ़ी शायद अच्छा ना लग रहा हो. मैंने कुछ दिन पहले कुछ 3-4 दिन 1 हफ्ते पहले बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन डाला था. इट इज़ डिसेंट प्रोग्रेस क्योंकि ओवर हेड लाइटिंग थी तो मेरे लाइक एब्स काइंड ऑफ दिख रहे थे. बट इन दिस फिजिक ऑल्सो यू कैन सी कि मेरा बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज हाई है, मेरा हाई है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू डेली. आई विल शेयर, और देर आर फ्यू पार्ट्स टू गेटिंग लीन जर्नी. One of the main kind of things that sabotages this is bad eating habits. Bad eating habits come from bad self-regulation, and this bad self-regulation can be a result of lot of stress and anxiety. There is a thing called anxiety eating or stress eating, where people, when they get into stress, basically जब उनको कुछ ऐसे कुछ भी उनका लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा होता है, एंड दे गेट रिमाइंडेड ऑफ स्टफ दैट आर अनकम्फर्टेबल, people cope with stress. People cope when there is a negative emotions. People try to cope with it. There are different coping mechanism, and stress eating is one of them. I have a mild or like light version of it, stress eating, and I think everybody does have. Anything that gives you dopamine can become a thing that you can escape to when faced with challenges or anxieties in your life. So this is one of the main things I want to focus on, how to improve your like eating habits. I will share my progress on that. Second, how do I improve and regulate my mental health, which fixes the anxiety regulation problem. Main thing I do in the day are, first, meditation session. I just do a 5-minute session in the whole day, and my goal is to do it consistently over time. Second, I do a gratitude journal. I have started doing it on the phone because meditation, I use this app called Merito. I set a timer for like 5 minutes. There is this guy in the app who just tells you to keep focusing back on your breath, so it is good. So on uske niche I have placed a shortcut to this Notion page jahan pe I write my like daily gratitude journal, things I'm grateful for. So it is very convenient that I have made in this my phone. And other two habits are like different habits, like you wake up in a good healthy time. And yes, currently, look, the main thing that your life should be built around is your work, जिस चीज़ से तुम पैसे कमाओगे. I am doing something in that, maybe I'll tell you in the future. Basically, I am doing editing services right now. I am selling editing services. I am selling how you can improve your to clients. I am selling my editing services. ये मेरा second channel है, and this is my Insta page. You can check it out. अगर तुम्हें पसंद आए, anybody you want to work with me, hire me. But in videos पे I don't want to put a lot of editing, because main thing I want to focus on is my speaking skills, my communication skills. That is what I want to focus on in this channel mainly, and only value, no fluff, no cinematic editing and things like that. Maybe in the future I improve it, but right now that's what I want to do. My main goal here is consistency. Second is good communication and storytelling skills in this channel. So yes, this was my first day of lean maxing. Also, I'll list out things that I did today. First, I did complete 12k steps, which is my goal metric that I want to track, the number of steps that I want to do in a day. That is 12,000 steps. First thing. Second thing, workout. I did not do a workout today. I went out with my friends, and फिर you know what, I could have, I accept I have been a little bitch, Meghani, but I accept that. कि today I have been someone. ये कुछ balls गिरे ऊपर से. I don't know what these are, but मिल गया. Oh, it's hard to see. I wish she was right here. know what, fuck this. So second metric, I did not track. I've been a little bitch today. मैं जिम नहीं गया. I accept the failure and I will be better tomorrow. आज as a punishment, I don't know, ये सब करने चाहिए. तो and second thing, I did the meditation session, but मेरे gratitude journal वाला part रहता है. And yes, so और food habits, यार मैंने ना प्रोटीन लिया है आज, ना क्रिएटिन, ना सप्लीमेंट्स. रात को मैंने ये खाना खाया है, छोले एंड 3 रोटी, 1 गिलास लस्सी पी थी मैंने आज. दैट इज़ इट. सो डाइट नॉट गुड टुडे, वर्कआउट नॉट गुड, स्टेप्स डन. एक अच्छी हैबिट जो मैं करता हूँ रोज़, दैट इज़ आफ्टर डिनर आई गो ऑन ए वॉक, 1 hour वॉक. इसमें अराउंड 4000 to 5000 स्टेप्स कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. हाँ, सो दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. ऑल्सो आई वॉक अ बिट स्लो बिकॉज मैंने खाना खाया है. बट अगर तेज़ चलूँ तो हाँ 10 मिनट में अराउंड 1000 या फिर लाइक 1 मिनट में 100 स्टेप्स. बट क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा खाना खाया होता हूँ, आई टेंड टू वॉक अ बिट स्लोअर. सो आई वॉक अराउंड 5000 स्टेप्स, 4 to 5000 between that, around 4500. तो this is what things I am going to track every day, and also showing you a physique update daily. And maybe in the future इसका एक पूरा वीडियो सीरीज बना दूँ of the transformation that I did. But right now this is what I am going to do. Also I like doing these videos because there is a daily thing. Like अगर मैं ये गोल रख लूँ ना कि मुझे डेली वीडियो बनानी है, सो आई हैव टू थिंक अबाउट न्यू थिंग डेली. वो मैं कर सकता हूँ, बट देयर आर नॉट डेज, देयर आर सम डेज जहाँ पे you can't think about a new video topic every day. So in this I have a account every day, even in the bad days. You know what, those are the most valuable. Even in my bad days, that's where my main discipline कह लो या फिर like main behavior will be shown. Like today was a bad day, maybe bad day in the sense not bad day, but bad day in the sense कि yes, I wouldn't term this as a bad day. I think it would be a day well spent. So yes, that was this. Also one thing that I should get done is my testosterone and blood test done, because I think उसमें थोड़ी maybe problem आ सकती है. So I have to do that. So that will be that was it for today. I promise in the next few days you will see changes, you will see updates of my physique, you will see changes, how things are going different, and काफ़ी कुछ होने वाला है. I have some big vision about this channel in the future, but right now it will be a daily effort that I have to put in. It is a daily effort from you. Come join me in this journey. Join me in this journey where I want कि पूरी इंडिया एक हेल्दी लाइफ जिए.